God's timing. God has made everything beautiful in His time. Whatever we do in our own time, it is always for us the way of thinking, the way of reasoning. Everything will come with roughness, will come with trials, imperfection, tension, pressure. Sometimes we do fall sick because it is our own time. But remember, whatever we do in God's time, you will find peace, joy, the perfection, because it is His time and He is always perfect. When you do things at God's time, you can put your trust in Him according to His will. Here to all the children of God who listen now, if your life goes with imperfection, if your life goes with trials, temptation, hardship, a broken relationship with your loved one, a broken family, a burdened studies, you may fail every time, and you may think, why this happened to me? Because it is in our own time. Remember from now on to all the children of God to trust in God's timing, and everything you do is trust Him. You need not to worry about anything what is coming or what is around you. He will provide you. All you need is your patience with God's timing.